Hello friends, I am glad to have you back on my channel, Study with me. In today's video, I will be sharing the most important MCQs from the story A Truly Beautiful Mind for Class 9 students. I hope you find this video helpful in your studies. Okay, let's start. Class 9 Beehive Chapter 4 JCERT Solutions. A Truly Beautiful Mind MCQ. Question number 1. When was Albert Einstein born? Answer 14th March 1879. Question number 2. Albert Einstein was born in the city of Ulm. Answer Germany. Question number 3. What did Albert Einstein's mother think of him? Answer a freak. Question number 4. Albert Einstein's head appeared to his mother. Answer too large. Question number 5. Who could not talk at the age of 2.5? Answer Albert Einstein. Question number 6. Albert Einstein couldn't talk even at the age of? Answer 2.5. Question number 7. When Albert Einstein learned to speak, he uttered the word? Answer twist. Question number 8. What did Albert Einstein's playmates call him? Answer Brother Boring. Question number 9. Albert Einstein loved to play with? Answer mechanical toys. Question number 10. What was the name of Albert Einstein's newborn sister? Answer Maja. Question number 11. Who said about Albert Einstein he will never make a success at anything? Answer Albert Einstein's headmaster. Question number 12. Whom did the headmaster say about Albert Einstein he will never make a success at anything? Answer Albert Einstein's father. Question number 13. When did Einstein begin learning to play violin? Answer at the age of 6. Question number 14. What did Albert Einstein's mother want him to become? Answer violinist. Question number 15. Albert Einstein hated the schools and often clashed with his teachers. Answer regimentation. Question number 16. At the age of Albert Einstein left the school. Answer 15 years. Question number 17. Where was Einstein's high school? Answer in Munich. Question number 18. Einstein was highly gifted in and interested in? Answer mathematics, physics. Question number 19. After finishing school, Einstein decided to study at Answer University of Zurich. Question number 20. Albert Einstein had a walrus-like? Answer mustache. Question number 21. Albert Einstein mustache was like? Answer walrus. Question number 22. What was Einstein's famous paper of 1905? Answer Special Theory of Relativity. Question number 23. Albert Einstein died in 1955 at the age of? Answer 76. Question number 25. Albert Einstein was a? Answer scientist. Question number 25. Albert Einstein was a university graduate in the year? Answer in 1900. Question number 26. What was the age of Albert Einstein when he was a university graduate? Answer 21 years. Question number 27. When did Albert Einstein secure a job as a technical expert in the patent office in Bern? Answer in 1902. Question number 28. In which year Einstein's General Theory of Relativity was published? Answer 1915. Question number 29. When did Einstein get the Nobel Prize? Answer 1921. Question number 30. Einstein was remembered? Answer world citizen. Question number 31. What was Einstein's famous theory? Answer theory of relativity. Question number 32. Which statement is not true about Albert Einstein? Answer he was married only once. Question number 33. Albert Einstein was born as answer an abnormal boy. Question number 34. For which subject was Einstein awarded the Nobel Prize? Answer physics. Question number 35. Whom did Albert want to marry right after finishing studies? Answer Melba. Question number 36. When did Nazis come to power in Germany? Answer 1933. Question number 37. What abnormality did Einstein suffer from in his childhood? Answer speaking disability. Question number 38. When did Albert Einstein and Melba get married? Answer 1903. Question number 39. Einstein hated school regimentation. What does this statement speak about him? Answer. He didn't like the rules and regulation of the school. Question number 40. When did Einstein get divorced from Melba? Answer 1919. Question number 41. When did the famous paper of Einstein, Special Theory of Relativity, get published? Answer 1905. Question number 42. The theory of relativity gave us the major formula of physics. Answer E equal to mc square. Question number 43. Einstein proved his theory by taking two accurate answer clocks. Question number 44. How many sons did Albert have with Melba? Answer 2. Question number 45. What proved Einstein's theory of general relativity in 1919? Answer solar eclipse. Question number 46. Einstein wrote a letter to the American president named answer Franklin D. Roosevelt. Question number 47. What was the impact of the public membership to the United Nations? Answer. They stopped developing atomic bombs. Question number 48. What does the word membership mean? Answer. Letter. Question number 49. Why did Albert Einstein write a public membership to the UN? Answer. He was moved by world destruction. Question number 50. Which famous paper of Einstein is said to have been published in 1905? Answer. Special Theory of Relativity. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.